I'm Nick, Operations Director for World Extreme Medicine. We are a medical training company and medical provision company. So we train medical professionals to use their skills in all sorts of extreme environments all over the world. So it could be jungles, deserts, up mountains, you name it. We train people to go there. We also run conferences and we provide medical support for TV production companies and people just working in extreme locations. So we came here today primarily because we have seen great results from our marketing. And one of the biggest challenges from us is taking the traffic that we're getting from marketing and converting that and generating our kind of target revenue. So we've been exploring ways of optimizing all areas of our messaging and our website in order to achieve that. I think the most beneficial part of today has been really understanding what we can do with our website. What we've been able to explore today with Dan is actually how we can organize our website, the tools that we can use to ensure that the customer has the best experience possible, and ways in which that can be kind of technically developed to support the customer journey. One of the key things that this has really brought for me today is we're quite often looking at competitors as what organizations are out there doing the same things as us. And one of the things that we've done today is look at where do our customers have interests and where may they be spending their money instead of with us. So with us, we're looking at expedition sort of courses, so CPD on expeditions. But then we looked at expedition and travel companies, which customers might want to spend their money with because that might be cheaper. It's quite an unusual approach. A lot of people will look at direct sort of competitors rather than, well, what other organizations that are aligned with you compete for your customers and therefore actually need to be added to your competitor list. That's just very useful and something that I think has been really helpful from the team today and that we can take forward as we sort of look at competitors and how we market ourselves. A Discovery Day has been a really good investment for us. It's given us time away from the office to come together as a team to discuss a lot of our priorities, ensure that we're targeting the right audiences, developing our messaging and our sort of digital platform in the right way. But not only has it given us that time, it's given us that with expert guidance, and we've been able to go through a structured plan with experts that can actually really ask the right questions and make us think in the right ways to take all that development through to the future. I haven't even had time to reflect on the day, but it's given me a huge amount to think about, so much to learn. I'm really looking forward to receiving the deliverables off the back of this, including the site map, all of Dan's recommendations, and looking how we can optimize our digital footprint into the future.